Right, so something that I thought was super cool that I've never seen this semester is how to multiply by lines, and it's a cool math trick. Now, this, you have to be very careful because it's very easy to get something in a wrong coordinate if you have bigger numbers, and I'll kind of show you why after. But let's go ahead and start off with kind of an easy number. Let's do 12 times 12. Now, most people know what 12 times 12 is, but if you don't, this could help you. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a vertical line that represents the 1. Then we're going to draw 2 other lines over here that represent the 2. But now we have another 12. So we're going to come over here, draw another 1, and then 2 right there. Okay. So now we have a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2. Now we need to section these off vertically. So we're going to section that off because that's vertical. These two are pretty lined up for the most part. So then we're going to section that off. Now, anytime in your little section that there is an X, you are going to mark it. So X marks the spot, right? We're going to go ahead and mark that X and put a 1 there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So go ahead and put a 4 down there. And then up here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and put a 4 there. We want to make sure that none of these are 10s, and they're not, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and write our problem. Remember, going left to right. Or our answer, excuse me. So now we know that 12 times 12 is 144. Let's do another problem. Let's see if I have space. Okay, we'll just get a new page. So let's just do 12 times, we'll just go 12 times 13. Okay, so the same thing. If you want to pause and try to do this yourself to check your answer, I encourage you to do so. And if you need a little bit more practice, go ahead and watch. So again, we're going to start with a 1 and a 2. And another 1 and a 3, which represents 12 times 13. 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to section these off in vertical order. So that is there. So these two are there, here, and there. Let's go ahead and mark it. That's 1. We got 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a 5 down here. And let's go mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double check your work. That's 6. Put it there. Double check to make sure none of them are 10s. And we can write 156, which is 12 times 13 is 156. Now, the reason we want to check that these are not 10s is because we might have to borrow. And I'm going to show you that next. So we're going to go ahead and do this problem for the sake of time. I went ahead and drew the coordinate or the little sections. So it is 123 times 321. So we're going to go ahead and section these off, and I'm actually going to color code, so I will be right back. All right. So what I did was I went ahead and color coordinated it for you. So it just makes a little bit more sense. So we sectioned it off and it is vertical. So this is vertical. These two are vertical together. These ones are vertical, pretty close. And those ones are vertical and those are vertical. So this would represent ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So let's go ahead and solve the problem. So we're going to go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, write a 3 on the outside. Then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Over here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. So with how we did the other problems, we would just take these and write. But we have a 14. Is that over 10? Yes. So what do we need to do? Does anyone know? We need to take this 1, cross that out, and give it to this guy. So we're going to say plus 1, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Now we are just left, because if we cross that out, we're just left with the 4. We gave this 1, our tens, over here to our hundreds place, right? So we're saying here's a 1, but it's not a 1 really. It's like this is going to represent 900, right? This 1 we gave right there, we're giving it over. So that was 100 that we gave them. Okay, so just kind of keep in mind the place value, and let's add it together, all of our numbers, and get them. So we've got a 3, we have a 9, we have a 4, we have an 8, and we have a 3. And we know that we have to go 1, 2, 3 over, and that is our answer. So I have gone over time, but if you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you for watching.